Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of this 25Q we just got in. Awesome boat, 2024. It's got, the new cool lighting up front. It's a Q, so we got the slope front. It's white with the blackout package. And then we have the silver interior with the white accent. And then the awesome black stitching. Super cool detail. This boat's really cool. Coming around the front here, got the radius seating, big long bench seat here, lots of room with fold down armrests, nice comfortable backrests, movable cup holders. Coming around now, really cool. You can change this head seating up to a little bit to put it wherever you would like for your head position as you lay back. Super comfortable. I just tried it out. It's awesome new feature. Very, very comfortable. Great for afternoon naps on the boat. Big long bench seat coming back here into the table. Then this is a swing back, so we do have the deluxe swing back. Sit facing in towards the boat, lounge out towards the back of the boat, fold the swing back, backrest out of the way, pop up the back ones so you can lounge facing the boat again, or one giant bed, sun pad. Very cool. Has the electric arch, and over here we have the 12-inch Simrad. The elevated helm, the super awesome comfortable captain's chair, phone charger. This will be a Mercury. Have a 350 white Mercury on it, so it's going to look very cool. The new sport windshield. Awesome boat, guys. Come and check out this boat. It's got the new lily pad ladder, super easy to get up and down in the water. Will come with a ski tow bar. This boat's equipped with the RGB lighting package, underwater lights, transom remote, USBs and phone chargers everywhere. Fantastic boat. 25-foot Q, Bennington. Got a lot of Benningtons in stock here. I'm going to give you a little shot here and a lot more inside. Come on out to MarineMax here at the store in Greenville. Check out all of our Benningtons. Get you guys ready for the spring or do a little boating in the winter still. We'll put this boat up on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. And you can give us a call, 864-236-9005. Thanks.